Hi, my friends. I am back with some insights on the Thrive bundle, and I have 4 little ebooks to show you today. I thought I'd come outside because, again, I love to get my feet in the grass or on the ground for some grounding, and two, that's a little too noisy in my house. My kids and big kids have to get back to school and university, and my husband might also need to get back to work. He's been on vacation for a week. I love them though. We just need a little space, right? So I'm going to show you 4 little ebooks. Now, when I switch over, you may lose my little pop up window, but that's all good. So, this first one is called It's All About the Beans. And how nutrient dense beans are. We know they are associated with longevity. And sometimes we need some creative ways to use them. So, let's have a look at this little ebook. This, I don't believe, is fully oil free. No, it's not. But again, like a recipe like this, where we're using a stir fry, this amount of oil can easily be omitted, not even reduced. It can just be omitted. Everything else in here is, of course, vegan, and the recipe is otherwise oil free. So that looks really amazing right there. What was that one called? Cashews and butter bean stir fry. And we've got a mac and cheese, soups. Wow, that looks great. It's fun giving you guys this behind the scenes. I love the look of this pizza with beans. I mean, why not put beans on pizza? People put meat on pizza, so why not, right? And there's a lot more in here. I had not heard of this author, but then that's how we learn about new people in the bundles. Her name is, I'm not going to try to pronounce her last name. Aga, I guess, is her first name. Green Kai. So this is how we learn about new people, and that's pretty fun. And this one here is the next one I want to show you. This is a fully oil-free ebook. It's called Better Food Guru. And this little recipe here caught my eye. Ooh, that looks good too. Yeah, pesto orzo primavera salad. That looks really good. But this is the one that caught my eye here. Tahini and lime slaw. That looks great. Yeah. And then next we have an ebook from Raw Chef Yin. She is such a delight. If you don't follow her on Instagram, just go find her. She's adorable. Her recipes are also oil free. This is very, very creative. I think a lot of times we see similar raw recipes, and she's offering Asian cuisine made raw, made oil free, and of course, also low fat, which is very rare, actually, I will say, in the raw world to find low fat recipes, because they do tend to rely on nuts quite a lot. So I just want to show you some of these gorgeous photos she has in here. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Next one is, okay, this little ebook. I made a version of this just the other night. So the ebook is called Clean and Healthy Eats, Breakfast Snacks and Treats, Recipes to Boost Health Span. And her name is Nisha. Again, I hadn't heard of this author. So I was just scrolling through this, and I was like, wow, she's kind of taking a different approach to recipes here. She's really including ingredients that are connected with lifespan. And then this is the recipe that caught my eye because, where are we? I'm getting there. I saw this and I thought, protein crumble. The protein part wasn't what got me, because I don't really love using protein powders a lot. In fact, I don't use most of them because they have pea protein, but sometimes I'll add like hemp protein or mostly pumpkin seed protein into a recipe, especially with my daughter who's training a lot. But this here, making the topping, this is what caught my eye, with mashed banana. So instead of a sweetener, she mashes banana with the rolled oats, some nut butter, spices, etc. What I did for this, guys, I didn't even measure. I saw it and I was so inspired. I jumped up, went to my kitchen. It was like 6:30, right after dinner, and I started mashing bananas. I mixed it with the oats, put in some, I think I used pecan butter because I had made some for my daughter, and vanilla, and then I put some fruit on the bottom of a baking dish. And what did I add? What fruit did I use? I'm trying to remember. I think it was strawberries and blueberries, and I just added a little bit of vanilla to the strawberries and blueberries, and then topped it with that and baked it. Now of course, it's not like a traditional crumble or that recipe where you know that it's going to be somewhat like crumbly and sugary. It's not like that because it doesn't have those ingredients, right? It's not really high in fat and it doesn't have the sugar, but it was delicious having that topping with the sweet, naturally sweet banana. Everyone really enjoyed it. So I think that's one you need to make. It's in the Thrive Clean and Healthy Eats cookbook. And there's some other things in there too that I think would be of interest. So those are your insights from the bundle today. There's only a few days left. I hope you have fun poking around in there. I seriously find something new every time I look. So reach out if you have any questions. And of course, there was something I was going to say, and now it's gone. And of course, how about have a great day? I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you soon.